This is just a very short video to show the E129 flying indoors in a pretty confined space, just to show you how docile it is under those circumstances. First of all, we'll arm it, throttle to maximum, and back again. Now, I'm not going to use the auto takeoff here because if I do, it's likely to fly up and hit that light above it. So I'll use the manual takeoff, both sticks to the outside bottom positions. Okay, it's ready to go now. Up we go, it's in low rates, but I'll switch it into high rates. 2 beeps, high rates. I'll just trim it a little bit. Seems to be drifting off forward and to the left. Okay, trim is good enough. Backwards, forwards, you're the other way. Now, making use of the altitude hold, I can fly around with no roll at all, just on an even keel, just sound like that. No roll, but I can also do coordinated turn with some roll. I can grab it out of the air and then with my chin press the 3 seconds stop. There we are, stopped. Manual spool up, no auto takeoff. I'll show the auto land. Pressing auto land. Now, lights flash when it's in the auto land sequence. I'll put it on the ground and do an auto takeoff, just so I don't hit the light, make sure I don't hit the light. Up it goes. Fly off into the distance, come back again. And auto land.